Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a reliable backup. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, run a select with group by and count * to locate duplicate groups and inspect their patterns. Decide how to keep one row per group. For example, keep the row with MIN, ID, or the latest timestamp. This defines the deletion rule. Once done, test your rule on a small subset so you can confirm the selection logic behaves as expected. Now you execute the deletion using a delete that joins a subquery listing rows to remove. This is precise and repeatable. Make sure to wrap changes in a transaction so you can roll back if necessary, and consider batching with limit to reduce lock contention on big tables. Before running delete, copy the subquery into a select to confirm the exact rows targeted. When satisfied, run delete inside begin and commit, and monitor Finish by verifying results with a final select group by count * to ensure duplicates are gone. Then rebuild or optimize indexes and run analyze table if query plans slowed. This restores performance. If something goes wrong, immediately roll back the transaction, inspect error messages and the subquery logic, and try again using smaller batches or locking strategies. One key troubleshooting tip: if you hit foreign key errors, temporarily disable or adjust constraints only after understanding referential impacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.